So what on earth is this thing? Let me show you. I don't know if that transition worked. Hey awesome people, Ellie Awesome here, and today's awesome product is the Cricut Joy, your DIY best friend. So you're probably wondering what this thing is, and I gotta say, it is a little powerhouse. It's basically a compact, smart cutting machine. You can create customized labels, vinyl decals, iron-on transfers, birthday banners, and so much more. Honestly, it's so impressive what you can create with this. And today I'll be showing you how I made a really cute card for one of my friends that's having a baby, and also my own customized mug. I know, right? It's awesome. Yeah. To get started, you pretty much just have to plug this thing in and then download the Cricut Design Space app on your phone. And in there, you'll find a bunch of ready-made projects with awesome designs that you can use for your own creations. My favorite thing in the app has to be that there's a whole section on cards. So you can find a card for pretty much any occasion, and then the Cricut will cut out the design for you. And in a few simple steps, you have made what looks like the best hipster / machine created homemade card ever. It doesn't even look homemade, but it has that like rustic crafted feel. It's a vibe. To do this, you find a project that you want to make within the app. Then you'll need your Cricut Joy card mat as your base for the cutting. Also a packet of insert cards, which comes with the cards itself, the inserts, and envelopes. Make sure your Cricut Joy is turned on and then follow the prompts to connect it. From there, you pretty much just have to set the material and the Cricut Joy will tell you what else to do. So now it's telling me to load up my mat with my card that I've slipped into it. And now the Cricut Joy will start cutting. It's really satisfying to watch it cut. Once that's done, you unload your cutting mat and then gently peel off the card. The cutting mat's actually kind of sticky, so it keeps the card in place. It also helps you remove the cutout pieces. Then I grabbed my Cricut Joy starter tool set and I used one of my tools to poke out the remaining pieces that were cut that just didn't peel away. And I also used my spatula-like tool to clean up my card mat for my next project. By the way, here's a look at what was in my insert cards pack. So now to complete the card, I'm putting one of my card inserts into this cutout. The awesome thing about this design is all you have to do is slip it into each corner of the front of the card. This is what it looked like before, and here it is with the glittery card insert. How awesome is that? It's endless what you can think of to create with the Cricut Joy. And besides all the amazing pre-made projects that you can access on the Cricut Design Space app, you can also make your own custom thing. To make this awesome custom mug, I just bought this for about $1 from Kmart, and then I was able to load up some smart vinyl in my Cricut Joy, go into the app, go into the make section, find a cool font, type the word awesome, and then set it up so it would cut it out for me on the vinyl, and then I just stuck it on this mug. You can buy all these different colors of decals and vinyls. There's shiny ones, this cute pink. I know, right? I don't even have to say it anymore. It's right here. In all seriousness though, this is a really awesome device, and you can pay for a subscription to get access to even more projects, which I did, and I found it really helpful. A lot of the projects are really quick and easy to do as well. In the app, often they'll say they'll take around 30 minutes to create, but I found this simply not true. In fact, a lot of them just take 5 minutes or less. The card that I created for my pregnant friend took me less than 5 minutes to make and looked incredibly impressive, and I didn't even have to leave the house. And my mug, this probably just took me around 7 to 10 minutes just figuring out how to use vinyl decals for the first time. The Cricut Joy is so amazing. It allows you to make something unique for yourself or someone else at a moment's notice, and that is what I love about it. So if you're interested in the Cricut Joy, or you know someone who might be, you can pick this up at Spotlight, Big W, Harvey Norman, or JB Hi-Fi, but I'll also have some links and info in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe, bye-bye.